Hi friends, welcome to another answer writing master class. Today I have taken one question from General Studies paper 3 security which has come in mains 2025. Let us first read the question. Government of India recently stated left wing extremism LWE will be eliminated by 2026. What do you understand by left wing extremism and how are people affected by it? Okay, so it has first part. Next, what measures have been taken by government to eliminate it? Okay, so the question has two parts. The first part also has sub parts. Okay, so what I will do is I will try to write an answer within 7 minutes. I will try to inculcate some diagrams and flow charts which help you to get some more marks than other candidates. Let us start, guys. So the first part simply says, what do you understand by left wing extremism? I'll say left wing extremism. I'll use this short form. Refers to armed insurgency led by various Maoist groups against the Indian state. The stated aim of LWE is to remove the constitutionally elected government by LWE. Okay, this is the map of red corridor we'll draw. Next, the question says that how are people affected by it? Okay, so I'll just change on people of LWE. First is, guys, socio-economic impact. So LWE has led to then the question is saying second part is government approach. So you can write down government multi-pronged measure to tackle left wing extremism. So guys, always use this word multi-pronged. Okay, multi-pronged approach you can see. So I can draw a diagram, guys. Government approach to LWE. One is the development oriented measures. You can draw this diagram. Other is law and order measure or security measures. Security measures. Surrender policy Okay, so we have given sufficient, okay, development oriented measures, security oriented measures. Then in conclusion, we can write that with focused approach on both security and development dimension, Naxalism bracket LWE will be eliminated by 2026. So you can see how I have answered this question. Little bit big. The question is a little bit big. Okay, because it's a 15 marker question. Okay, so I have written. You can see how I have given the definition, and in the definition I have talked about the red corridor and I have shown the diagram of red corridor. So one diagram here. Second, impact. Whenever they will talk about impact, always write in multidimensional: socio-economic impact, political impact, economic impact, law and order impact. So pestle approach is called pestle approach. Pestle approach. Okay, pestle approach means polity, economy, okay, society impact. Okay, and next is government's approach. Government's approach, you can see how I have drawn two diagrams. And okay, development oriented approach and security oriented approach. Development oriented approach I have given 5-6 points, and security oriented approach I have written 5-6 points, and then I have given one conclusion. Now you only tell me how much marks out of, okay, out of around 15 marks, how much marks I should get for this answer. I think for the introduction I can easily get here 2 marks, because I have written the diagram, I have shown, I have explained what is red corridor, I have given the regions also, and I have drawn a diagram also. Then guys, you can see I have given 4 points for impact on of left wing extremism. So here also guys, easily I can expect 5 to 6 points, okay, marks here. And then guys, government's approach, you can see all the samadhan I have explained, and government approach, here also I can expect 6 marks. So easily I can expect here 11 to 12 marks. Okay, 12 marks out of 15. So draw such kind of diagram guys. In my mains master notes and in my mains master cards, I am giving you various templates where you can directly use in your exams. Such diagrams I am making, and I am teaching you how to write answers also. I am taking answer writing template classes. You can use them, and also you can refer my mains master notes and mains master cards. Guys, one more thing, every day I am discussing 5 to 6 questions in my DPS classes. This year, more than 10 questions in every paper. Okay, particularly General Studies paper 3, paper 2. Lot of questions directly have come from my DPS. Okay, let me just show you one DPS guys. This is 11th of April DPS. You can see from this DPS directly 2 questions have come. Directly 2 questions have come. You can see this question on history, and you can see this question on security. So if you want to attend this daily answer writing classes where I am discussing every day 5 predicted questions, you can contact me on this number given through Telegram. Thank you guys.